everyone, your girl is back. I'm coming on today to share with you a bag that I got from a company called Wishbiz, and it's their Prada top handle bag, and this is how it came. It has the dust bag here that you can store the bag in when you're not using it. So here's the bag with all the plastic taken off. Let's take a closer look of how the bag looks. And I also got a pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. And this is the package that they come in. So let's just open it up and have a closer look at them. And inside the pack, they just have some little, I guess, instructions and telling you about the shades. And let's open up this. It's a nice box. It says Louis Vuitton on the top. And inside we have the shades. And you get a little soft bag to carry your sunglasses in, saying Louis Vuitton. And then we have a cleaning cloth for your sunglasses too. And this is how the sunglasses look. And here I have the shades on, showing you how they look. Don't they look nice? And they have the Louis Vuitton little symbol at the side. Both sides have it. I love it. I like the black with the gold. I think they look very nice. Nice for summer. You know, summer's coming up. Hey, I see you. Do you see me? I like how they look. I think they look very nice.
Alright everyone, here is the bag. I think it is so nice. And I love the gold hardware on it. And it does come with a long strap inside. I think it's long enough to go crossbody. And then it has this also that has a little key holder on it. It's like a little keychain. And then you can just strap it onto your bag right here if you choose to. And you can probably put your keys on it. So let me show you how the bag is on the inside. So of course it has the two sides here. And then it has a centerpiece. So here's a closer look at the inside. And there is two buttons, one on each side. You can make your bag wider. Isn't that neat? So one side has this and a zipper pocket. A zipper pocket there. And also a pocket right here. And on the other side, it has a pocket here and a pocket here. Lots of storage, eh? And now let's open the two sides. Oh, there's a card in here. I'm telling you about the bag. So, lots of space here. Zipper this one. Lots of space here. And if you don't want to make it bigger, you just snap back. Snap back the sides. There we go. And like I said, I love the gold hardware on this bag at the front and at the back. And I like it with the small handle. I like carrying my bags with small handles.
And I forgot to show you that there are 4 gold legs on the bottom of the bag. And here's how the bag looks wearing it crossbody. And this is how it looks with the short handle. I like using it with just the short handle. That's how I always carry majority of my bags.
So these are the two items that I had to share with you today. So we have our bag and we have our sunglasses. So I will have the link down below to Wishbiz, so you guys can go over there and check them out. And I do have a coupon code for you guys. Here's coupon code, and I'll also have it down there in my description box, so you guys can go over and check them out. They have lots of beautiful items on their site that you can choose from. Alright everyone, thanks for coming on and seeing the items I had to share with you to glam up your summer this summer. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.